Poultry birds become infected when they pick the virus from contaminated surfaces. The virus now inside the birds begin to attack the immune system in order to weaken it. It can take as little as 2 days for the virus to overpower already sick birds. But for healthy birds, it takes about 1 week, sometimes 2 weeks. So the period between infection and when the bird becomes visibly sick is referred to as incubation period. And this incubation period ends when the virus overpowers the bird. So you begin to observe the greenish-white diarrhea and other symptoms of visible sickness that characterize Newcastle disease. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how to detect the virus in your poultry bed, how to detect Newcastle disease virus in your poultry beds. Number 1, watch out for respiratory problem. Once the virus infects a bird, it immediately attacks the respiratory system. This bird will almost overnight begin to show respiratory symptoms such as CROD, catarrh, cough, and breathing issue. This cough and catarrh does not completely clear off no matter the amount of CROD you give to your bird. So take note of this one. 2, watch out for nervous sign. A few days after the first respiratory sign, you will begin to observe nervous system. You will observe 1 or 2 birds unable to stand. They will begin to limp walk or become partially paralyzed. In some cases, some birds will develop twisted neck. These 2 symptoms occur during the incubation period and will affect only a few birds. All other birds will look normal and active, although the virus is still in the body of those birds. Once you notice respiratory symptom followed by nervous symptom, it's almost a sure sign of Newcastle disease. So this is the right time to take steps to combat the infection. If the proper treatment does not commence immediately, within 2 to 4 days, the physical sign of watery green poop and subsequent death will start. So take note of that one. There are antibiotics that can be used in managing the disease during its incubation stage. For Nigerian-made drugs, we usually recommend Virocin or Tivira granule for 5 days. There are several other foreign drugs your veteran can recommend for you. There are also herbs and spices that are useful in preventing and treating Newcastle disease. So when you follow this step we outlined in today's video, it will help you to detect Newcastle disease in its incubation period. Because this period, it is very dangerous. It overpowers the bird and leads to death. If you follow this step, you'll be able to detect and combat Newcastle disease in your poultry bed.